Welcome back to yet another video in CSS. In this video, we will see a commonly used styling effect called shadows. As the name suggests, it is used to create shadows for HTML elements. There are two ways you can apply shadows: text shadow and box shadow. Let's see them with an example. I have created two elements, h1 element and a div element. First, let's see about text shadow. This can be used to apply shadow to text. The text shadow can be applied as follows. In the style, give the element name and use the syntax text shadow. For this, you can have four arguments: the horizontal value, vertical value, blur and color. Let's see the basics first. I give the horizontal value as 2px and the vertical value as 2px. Let's see the output of this code. This produced a text with a shadow behind it. Let's change the values and see how it reacts to it. Now give the horizontal value as 8px. The shadow moved 6 pixels right to the content. If I change the vertical value, it should move 6 pixels down. As we expected, the shadow moved 6 pixels down. As I said earlier, the text shadow has 4 arguments. The next argument is blur. So let's change the values back to normal and see how the blur works. Now I have added the blur value as 3 pixels. This should produce a blurred shadow for 3 pixel width. This produced a shadow blurred for 3 pixels. If I increase the blur size, the amount of spread of the shadow will also increase. Now the shadow is even more spread out as the blur increased. The final argument is color. The default color given to the shadow is black, but if we give any other color, the specified color will be given as the shadow color. Let's give red as the shadow color. This gave an output as a red shadow for an 8 pixel blur with a 2 pixel horizontal value and 2 pixel vertical value. Let's move on to the box shadow. For the box shadow, I have already specified the div block with an ID box, create and style for the box ID. For convenient purpose, I am going to give the height and width of the box. The box shadow also has the same 4 parameters. If we copy and paste the parameters, this should produce a box with the same amount of blur and color to the box. Let's see the output. For better visualization, I am going to give background color for this box. Let's see the output. The output produced is just as we predicted. That's it for this video. Thank you. See you in the next one.